Well, time then to bring on board Vijay Bhambwani, who's the author and CEO of bsplindia.com. Good morning, Vijay. Good to have you with us on Morning Mantra. To start with, would like to know your outlook for the Nifty.
Where the market outlook is concerned, the bullish pivot for the Nifty spot will be at 6,010 levels as long as the bulls manage to keep the Nifty spot trading above this threshold. The primary target may be up to 6,070 and the secondary one at 6,080 levels. I expect selling pressure to come in at 6,070-75 levels where the market upsides are likely to meet with resistance. On the flip side, the bearish pivot for the session on the Nifty spot is at 5990, below which the primary target will be 5965 and the secondary target will be 5950.
And what are the levels to be watching out for on the Bank Nifty?
Where the Bank Nifty is concerned, the bullish pivot for the session will be at 12,725 levels, above which the primary target will be 12,850 and the secondary target will be 12,875. As the Bank Nifty gets closer to 12,875 levels, which has been a historical pressure point, I do expect some unwinding intraday basis on long positions. It's only a close above 12,900 odd levels which will basically force the bears to cover their shorts. The bearish pivot on the flip side will be at 12,675, below which the primary target for the Bank Nifty will be at 12,650 and the secondary target will be 12,525. Yesterday we did see an inside pattern, which would mean that the intraday high and low was contained within Friday's intraday high and low, and the Bank Nifty is not looking half as strong as the Nifty 50.
Okay, and do IT names like Infosys and HCL merit a buy at current levels?
In the technology space, Infosys has seen a second day of a gap up open, but the intraday range was not marginally half as wide as Friday's short covering based rally. I do expect upsides to meet with resistance, and therefore all existing long positions held by traders, if any, should be held with a stop loss at 2,770 levels. I would not advocate fresh buying at the current juncture. The same with HCL Technologies. I would want to let the results season to be out before I would want to take a call on HCL, and therefore all fresh buying I would like to defer to a later date.
What about specific trading ideas for today then?
Where intraday trading ideas are concerned, I would want to buy Tata Steel at marginal pullbacks to the 422 levels, hold these long positions with a stop loss at 418 and expect to book profits at 427 or end of the session, whichever comes first. My second trade would be a buy on Hindustan Unilever at 503 levels. I would hold these longs with a stop loss at 496 and I would expect to book profits at 515 levels in a few days from now. So this is not necessarily a day trade, but investors might just have to roll this trade over for the next couple of trading sessions to meet the target.
And from the F&O side?
In the futures space, I would want to buy January futures of ITC Limited at 278 levels. I would hold these longs with a stop loss at 275 and expect to book profits at 282 or end of the session, whichever comes first.